Hi everyone, today we are reading Peppa's Day at the Beach. Peppa and her family are going to the beach. The sun is very hot today. Before you start playing, I need to put some sunscreen on you, says Mummy Pig. Okay, Mummy, shouts Peppa and George. Mummy Pig puts sunscreen on Peppa and George, while Daddy Pig unpacks the car. What a lot of stuff, snorts Mummy Pig. Peppa giggles. A beach bag, a sunshade, towels, buckets and spades. And a spotty ball. Let's try out the spotty ball, decides Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig kicks the ball. It bounces along the sand. Peppa and George run after the ball. Boing, boing. When the spotty ball has finished rolling, Peppa picks it up. George, she says, I'll throw the ball and you can catch it. Peppa throws the ball, but George misses it. George is too little to play catch the ball. Never mind, says Daddy Pig. Why don't we have a paddle in the sea? Peppa and George love paddling in the sea. Daddy Pig blows up Peppa's armbands. Mummy Pig blows up George's armbands. Now we can play in the water, says Peppa. Daddy Pig goes in first. Is the water cold? Asks Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig splashes Mummy Pig. Come in, he laughs. It is lovely and warm. Peppa and George do lots more splashing. Then they float on Daddy Pig's tummy. Daddy, says Peppa, I love being at the beach. Daddy Pig smiles. Everyone loves being at the beach. Peppa, George, Mummy Pig is calling. She has got out the buckets and spades. Wow. Peppa and George find a nice spot to play in. Daddy, asks Peppa, can we bury you in the sand? Peppa and George start digging. Ho 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 ho, chuckles Daddy Pig. Steady on. There, says Peppa. Now you can't escape. Maybe I'll just have a little sleep here then, nods Daddy Pig. Let's go and make sandcastles, says Peppa. Peppa shows George how to fill a bucket up with sand and then turn it upside down. Now lift the bucket up, says Peppa. George lifts the bucket up. He's made a proper sand castle. Hooray! Well done, George. When it's time to go home, Mummy Pig packs up the car. She sighs. I'm sure that we have forgotten something. George snorts and points. Daddy Pig climbs out of the sand. Daddy! Laughs Peppa. We forgot Daddy. Thank you so much for watching everyone. See you all next time with another read aloud.